Real excited about today's rig walk around. I think once I show you what's hiding behind the Xterra, you'll be very surprised. Alright, cool. Now that you've seen it, let's bring out the owner. Hey Justin, so what year is this thing?
So this is my 2003 Ford Chateau. Keep our stuff on the door.
Yeah, so what's this? Just door stuff? Cool.
Yeah, door stuff. This is where I keep, you know, stuff to clean myself. Keep myself healthy.
So adult diapers,
yep.
No problem.
Here's some pills. Pills are good! This is binoculars for peeping.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a tire deflator air accessory type situation. Got this tiny knife I've never used for anything. Tool roll. You know, because I'm the cruise mechanic. Never know when you're going to need to fix somebody else's broken crap. Then the med bag. This is a bag within a bag situation because this MOLLE stuff's kind of a pain in the ass to get off. So, figured we'd have, you know, if you need to toss it to your pal.
Yeah, so he's got to sew himself up and you just toss him that and say, hey bud, hit me up in 15.
Yeah, dude, I'm going to be by the fire with my Tums and alcohol swabs.
It's a really good primitive fire starting method.
Pretty sad excuse for a first aid kit. Browning axe, cricket murder shovel, and then every door here has got light switch for its own little LED strip.
All right, what's this? Voltage?
Yeah, hit that switch.
This one?
Yep. Nice. So that keeps an eye on voltage for the house battery setup. This is ultra budget. This is all just Amazon.com stuff. These little guys are fun. Little USB, little light guy. We use those to light these drawers up here when we're camped.
Oh, 10-4.
Give a second. Touch.
And this is just more adult diapers.
Yeah, this is where we keep the rest of the adult diapers. His and hers, easily removable for when we need to go into the house and pack more adult diapers.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really important. He needs diapers too, also. And then we're having a child pretty soon, and that's gonna need diapers as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so. Got charging cables for all our different stuff here. Way too many battery power packs. Additional magnetic lights for that type of stuff. I don't like this blue. I like more of this yellow light here. It's much more soothing to the eye. When the baby comes, it's going to be a diaper changing station also. There's going to be additional diaper storage.
And you went with a porous.
Yeah, extra rough for the baby's sensitive skin.
What's this? Unaccessible drawer?
You know, that's from a previous iteration of the van that before we found out we were having a child, so that prompted the addition of removing a little island table thing that used to be over here so we could fit this 2019 Transit bench seat here with integrated seat belts. Easily removable. It's a nice piece.
Justin, I'm actually having trouble getting up in here, dude.
Oh.
Two-seater. I thought this was just the one.
No, it's a miniature too. Real tight too. Great for any Econoline owner. Oh. This is a great upgrade for any Econoline owner. This is the 2008 and newer center console. Pops right on, much better storage. This is where we keep our winch controller, road trip essentials. Down here, transfer case shifter for NV271. Transfer case. This aux locker shifter here. Extremely dirty carpet. Unscrew that. Slide that up like so. Oh yeah, very nice. Nice mounting piece from U-Joint Offroad here. Very, very nice piece. Very nice. So we got LED replacement bulbs, all 15 positions, the dome lights. Draw that power down. Nearly a full-size queen. Just a shade under. We've got 2 IKEA twin 4-inch thick mattresses. Oh.
What's this?
That's the stove.
Seriously, tell me what it is.
This is the stove. Yep. You take that out like this. The Coleman, it's good. You know, under this one we've got cooking essentials.
Wow.
Yeah, and then this over here, new piece of kit for the season, but my boy Overland Gear guy cut out a piece of the door, custom door panel here. That's gonna store all of our kitchen utensils while we're cooking.
Oh, we're cooking now.
Yeah, dude, we're cooking. So light switch yet again. This is all cheap. SuperBrightLEDs.com. Not sponsored. Demonetized. This is food. We like everything easily removable in big chunks. Makes it easier to pack. This is just for coffee. That's all that's in here is coffee. Yep. So that's nice. Piece that we just stored dirty stuff in. Hot dog cooker, essential piece of kit. Reliance water. Waddle. Nice piece. Got the Dometic over here. We'll crack open the Dometic CFX 35. This has been a great piece of kit for us. Keeps the drinks cold. Side table, new addition to the kit this year. Makes it nice, you know, when you're unloading your hot milk here. Just put it. So this is my Rhino Rack Pioneer platform roof rack. Shout out to my boy Mike, Spirit of 1876, for hooking me up with this. We're running the Smittybilt Feetsies over here because the Rhino Rack ones are stupid looking and I hate them. So we ran these. They're low profile, keep the rack nice and low. Try and keep this thing low enough so we can still get through the Chick-fil-A drive-thru. Same thing here, new Thule Hideaway awning. This is from my pal Mike, Spirit of 1876 also. Fantastic piece of kit.
Well, what are these tires? What it says on it or what?
Yeah, these are the KO2 all-terrain TA 37 1250 17 on they call these the D-hole.
No comment.
Steel wheel 17x9. Front and ball work here. This is a U-Joint Offroad front bumper, all aluminum, 36 pounds without any accessories on it. Very nice piece. These are Chinese knockoff lights of the ARB. They are acceptable at best. This is the Smittybilt something or another.
Yeah, I can't read that either.
12,000 pound winch. Used it one time to spool the rope in. Worked. There's some eBay headlights with some eBay LEDs in them. Very nice. They work just great.
What's this? Air?
Yeah, so this is part of the U-joint off-road onboard air kit. We've got a ARB twin piston compressor mounted on the frame with a 2-gallon air tank.
Right.
Yeah. This is an Anderson plug for if you wanted to plug whatever.
Plug your Anderson into it. I mean, no problem. What shocks are these?
So Fox 2.0s all the way around. We're running the U-joint off-road 6-inch kit. So U-joint off-road makes the finest four-wheel drive conversion for the Ford Econoline. Leaf spring front, all the work done by myself. Use a 99-04 front Dana 60 from an F250 or 350. MV271 transfer case. And then out back, we've got a Sterling 10.5 axle full float out of like a 2005 or 6 F350. It's a great axle. Right down here we've got the aux locker. This is one of the finest pieces on the vehicle. No better locker on the market, hands down.
How do you spell it?
It's OX, so it's cable actuated. Nothing to fail, no stupid air seals, no electronics, all mechanical, just how we like them.
This looks familiar.
Yeah.
Onboard air, once again, we've got the onboard air, like I said. We'll turn that on. Why don't we turn that on?
Compressor.
To my eyes. This is a Trasharoo. Everybody knows what that's for. This has had a rough life. Pretty hard on it though. Plug her in.
Throw it down.
This is nice for when you get to camp. Learned this from my boy Andrew St. Pierre. Hate that trail dust.
That spare tire over there.
Yeah, full-size spare. This is the Luminous tire carrier. Utilizes the stock rear bumper. It's a very nice piece, all aluminum. They say it can only fit a 35, but we got a 37 BFG on here.
Hey, I'm no scientist.
I'm no scientist, but that's a spare tire on the back of a van that's a 37. This is my license plate. All right. Oh.
Get like an MTV grid zoom out.
Yo, welcome to my crib.